Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about why should each one of us develop the habit of reading. We all know the benefits of reading and we all know that it helps improve communication, your speaking skills, your memory. It also helps increase your attention span and your concentration as well. And not to forget that it also improves the social interaction we have with people. But why is it that very few of us are able to, continue reading or inculcate this habit, this brilliant habit of reading into our day-to-day life? Right? So therefore, in this video, we are going to talk about some of the tips which can help somebody develop a habit of reading, or this will also help people who are now beginning to start reading, right? So the target population for this video is one, people who are beginners and who want to read. Second are the people who read but who are not avid readers. So this will also help those. Without taking any more further time, let's get into the video and talk about the first tip. So the first tip that I have for you is that make the process easy, right? Now what I mean by this is that do not make the process of reading too complicated into your head. Make it easy for yourself to pick up a book and read it. And how can you do this? Probably you can keep books around your house. You can keep books right by your bedside, so that before sleeping there might be just one day where you pick up the book and start reading. So keep the books in a place where they are accessible, where you see them every day, so that once there might be a day when you will actually sit and pick up the book and read, right? So make the process easier for you. Put the book in a place where it's easier for you to pick up, right? So that would be my first tip. The next and one of the most important tips is choose the right book. This is very, very important. We have to choose a book which is correct for us. Now what I mean is the book which is good for you means that pick something which is of your interest. If you're somebody who likes reading suspense, or probably you're somebody who likes reading psychotic thrillers, so get to know as to what do you like, what do you enjoy more, right? So identify that and pick that book for yourself. Do not pick something which is very difficult or which has very hard vocabulary, because if you are somebody, if you are opening the dictionary 5 times in one page, then probably you will drop the idea of reading the book midway. And if it is not interesting enough, then also the chances are that you will not continue reading the book, right? So therefore, the second and the very important tip is that choose the right or the good book for yourself. Now, another added tip here is also that identify what kind of a person are you. Will you prefer reading short stories, or are you somebody who can have that kind of a commitment where you read a novel also, right? But if you're somebody who you feel like you don't have a lot of time, or you feel that you will not be able to read the whole book, or you will lose interest, then probably it's a good idea that you start reading with short stories. These are just 7 to 8 pages short stories, and you can read it within like 10 minutes. It will not take more than that. And once you read that one story and you complete it, the chances are probably you will also read another stories, right? So if you're a beginner, start with reading short stories and then make longer commitments to novels. Another very important tip is that set times, right? Include reading time into your routine. So generally it is recommended that one should read in the morning and before going to bed, because that helps you in a better sleep, and it's considered to calm you down. But if that's not working for you, you just need to find time as to how and where can you read a book. If you're somebody who has like a 1 hour lunch break somewhere, so probably you can carry a book around with yourself and you can read during that time. Or if you are someone who wakes up till late in the night, so you can read a book like 10 minutes, 15 minutes before going to bed. So the time is not a compulsion, but the important point is that you should include reading a book and adjust it into your day-to-day routine, whichever works best for you. Another very important tip, and I find this very handy and very interesting, is that you should carry a book to wherever you go, right? So if you're somebody probably you can carry a book to work or to school or like to whichever place. If you're traveling, you can carry a book with yourself there. How this helps is if you're somebody who goes to college and it takes 1 hour for you to travel or in commute to your college, or you take 1 hour of metro, you can read the book in the process where you are traveling. So that will save time. You will have something to do in the metro rather than just looking at people, of course. And it will also give you the satisfaction that you've read the book. And the chances are that once you've started reading a book, and as your interest will develop, as the story will get on to you, you will complete that book, right? So it saves time. So make sure that you carry the book you're reading to everywhere that you're going, because if you're getting bored at any point of time, you will probably pick up the book and start reading it. The next another very important tip is that find your genre. This I also slightly touched upon in the beginning, that identify the books which you like reading or where your interest lies, and make sure that the first few initial books that you're reading, you stick to your genre, because that will help you in developing the habit of reading. Next tip is that follow people on Instagram, social media, Facebook, probably YouTube, who are booktubers or who talks about books or who reviews books. This will help you, being a part of the circle or being part of a readers club, and probably you will stay in the loop. You will get to know what kind of books are coming out, and if one of them will interest you, you will probably buy it. So that also will help you in further advancing your habit of reading. Another is, it adds on to like the same one, that where you follow people who are talking about the books, but another important is that you discuss or you surround yourself by friends who are into the habit of reading. Why? Because discussing the book that you've read with your friends, it really helps, you can share which book you read, which the other person read. So if you have some friend in your circle who reads book, make it a point that you discuss what you've read with them, right? The last and probably the most important tip here is that repeat this every day. No matter whether you're reading for 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but make sure that you're reading every day. Why? Because habit comes from repetition, and if you will take a break, probably it will be very difficult for you to come back and start reading again. So the very, very, very crucial tip here is that read every day. If it's hectic for you, read for 2 minutes. If it's easier, and if the interest is there, read for longer, but make sure that you're reading at least 1 or 2 pages every day, because that is how you will develop the habit of reading. That's all from my end in this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, share and comment. Give us your feedback and what kind of videos you would like to see up on the channel. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next upcoming videos.